Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I made this art journal spread. And I used some papers, of course, from Artstacks. I can't really keep myself from using them because I really like them. And yeah, so I used a face, as you see, from the Faces and Figures kit. And I also used wordings, and I used wordings from the kit that is called Inspirational Words that I really like. It's with not rice papers, it's what do you call tissue papers, and I really like to use those. But I'm going to show you, I'm just prepping my spread here with masking tape in the middle and just some gesso on the papers for some protection. And this is the Faces and Figures kit. I have used a bit from it, of course, so it's lacking some of the some of the images, but I want to use this face today. That's what I decide. And yeah, I like to draw faces too, but I really like to use these pre-made faces sometimes also. And if you're not that good at drawing faces, or you don't like drawing faces, you can use this kit. So it's nice to have. And even though I can draw faces, I like to use those because it's different styles from what I usually do. And as you see here, I'm just adding stuff. I'm adding book pages, and I'm adding drywall tape just for some texture. And now I'm using my Ecoline brush pen. It's a gray one. I have no clear idea as usual, but I thought I was going to go with gray and blue and red in this spread. So I'm using, of course, water on a brush to dilute it. And for blue, I didn't think I had a nice color in the Ecoline, so I used my Albrecht Dürer watercolor pen. I really like those too. And the blue here is fantastic. I'm using a baby wipe just to remove some of the excess. Baby wipes are really nice to use. And my punch to just punch out 3 hearts. And I'm using another Ecoline brush pen to just color the hearts red. And then of course I'm going to add them somewhere, just gluing them in. And I'm using my black Tombow brush pen just for some shading, and of course water with the brush. And as I liked the black on those, I want to add some more black on some of the edges of the scraps I've added. I like to do it like this. I love black. It gives such a contrast. And now after it's dry, I'm adding some more white gesso just to clear up some spaces. Especially when you want to add maybe some words, it can be nice to have it a bit more bright on the background. And I just like the overall effect of adding white gesso. And these are the inspirational words. They are, as I said, on tissue paper, and they are really nice to use. And I like the quotes too, of course. So I'm going to add this one that says "This is me." I'm just using my homemade transparent gesso for the adhesion for the glue, you can use that. You could also use Mod Podge, of course, or glue. And I also add a hand from the Faces and Figures kit. It's also on tissue paper. And now I'm actually going to use an old stencil that I bought at IKEA once. It's for baking, I think. I just want to make some red dots with it. So I'm just using a sponge and some acrylic paint from Pandura Acrylic, actually. And now I'm gonna stamp. This is a homemade stamp that I made some time ago with, you know, this, oh, I can't remember the name. Crafting foam, yeah, craft foam. It's really easy to make. And I want my drywall tape stamp, so I can't find it, so I just make another one. So easy, and I really like the effect of the squares, the tiny squares. White Posca pen for splashing, and also for some detailing. And everything I do is really intuitive. I have no plan. I just do it. It's so freeing. You just see your spread just emerge without having any plan beforehand. And now it is done, and I'm happy about it. And now you can see more in detail how the spread looks close up. And you can see the drywall tape. You can see the stamps from the drywall tape. You can see the wordings and the background and everything. And I really like this. I really like the face also. Think it's pretty. And the quotes. Love them. So I hope you enjoyed this process for today, and if you're interested in purchasing some stuff from Artstacks, just visit them online. I can leave a link in the description below if you want to. And so thank you for watching today, and please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment, and subscribe if you want to. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye.